Hi, I am Dr. Dilpreet. I am from Sri Ganganagar. I am part of C2 batch 136 under Dr. Pankaj Talwar sir. So as we have been studying about processing the semen sample for IUI using microfluidics. This is the sperm sorting device. This is the device. This device has one inlet, outlet and an OB port. It has a polycarbonate membrane under which the semen sample is pushed in. This we push sample of around 850 microliters through the inlet, and when the sample touches the OB port, then we stop pushing the sample in. Then we put around 2 drops of washing media into the outlet and cover the polycarbonate membrane with rest of the media, around 1 milliliter of the media. Now so that the sperms will move towards the media, and after 30 minutes of incubation at 37 degree, we will take out 0.4 ml of the sample through the outlet and use it for IUI. How this procedure is to be done will be now discussed.
I am Dr. Ankita Naik. I am under course 2, batch 136 under Dr. Talwar sir. So I'll be demonstrating how to inject the raw semen sample into the semen port. So this is the device. Once this is the raw semen which I have taken. This is around 850 microliters. So this is the inlet port, this is the outlet and the OB port. So the inlet port, you have to inject it slowly. It should be 90 degree exactly, and slowly inject through the port. So in a circular motion it will be going through the device. As you can see, slowly inject it so that there are no air bubbles in it till it reaches the OB port. So around 850 it's reached the OB port, so it makes sure that around 850 microliter of semen sample has gone inside.
Myself Dr. Sridevi. I am in batch C2 136 under Dr. Pankaj Talwar sir, and I'll be injecting the media, that is the 2 drops on the outlet and then over the surface the media will be pushed. For the even distribution. And it will be shaked so that there will be even distribution. Then it will be kept under this petri dish. And held like this, and will be kept in the incubator. In the incubator, which is preheated up to 37 degree. And this will be left here for 30 minutes.